Looking for the best vacuum? In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 vacuums with powerful cleaning, smart features, and easy maintenance. The Bleston handheld cordless vacuum offers powerful cyclonic suction up to 9 NKEPA with 2 modes, making it perfect for cleaning your car, home, or office. Weighing just 1.5 pounds, it's lightweight and portable with a 12V rechargeable battery that lasts 30 plus minutes. The vacuum includes a dust brush, crevice tool, and extension tube for hard-to-reach areas, and its washable HEPA filter ensures long-term security on card. Plus, the built-in LED light helps you clean in dark spots with Bleston 24-hour customer support. This vacuum is designed for ultimate convenience and efficiency. The Fantic Slim Vate Apex Car Vacuum offers powerful 19-paw suction with its 800 ZROPF brushless motor, easily picking up sand, dust, and debris from hard-to-reach areas. Weighing just 1.1 pounds, this ultra-light cordless vacuum is perfect for cleaning car interiors, sofas, keyboards, and carpets. It includes 10 practical accessories, such as a crevice nozzle, pet brush, and multi-surface brush to tackle various surfaces and pet hair. With 2 suction modes and a fast Type-C charge that takes just 2.5 hours, it runs for up to 40 minutes. In Eco Mode, the free air handheld vacuum delivers 20 kPa powerful suction with 2 speed modes for quick and efficient cleaning. It's lightweight, cordless, and ideal for cleaning homes, cars, carpets, sofas, and more. With a 35-minute runtime on standard mode and a fast-charging dock, it's always ready for use. The vacuum features a dual filter system with a HEPA filter and stainless steel filter for thorough dust removal. The Bissell Pet Hair Eraser cordless hand vacuum is designed for powerful pet hair and dirt removal. Equipped with a motorized brush tool, it tackles embedded pet hair, while its 14V lithium-ion battery ensures efficient cordless cleaning. The vacuum features a large, easy-to-empty dirt tank and a triple-level filtration system to enhance cleaning performance. It includes specialized tools such as an upholstery tool, motorized brush and crevice tool, making it perfect for cleaning pet hair from upholstery and other surfaces. Plus, with each purchase, Bissell donates to help pets in need. Black + Decker Dustbuster Furbuster Advanced Clean Plus Cordless Pet Handheld Vacuum is perfect for cleaning homes, cars, and pet areas. Its 20V Max lithium-ion battery delivers strong suction power, while the Power Boost mode provides extra power with just a touch. The vacuum features an anti-tangle motorized pet brush with rubber bristles designed to lift stubborn pet hair and debris. With an XL extensible crevice tool, you reach as hard to access areas, and the washable, reusable filters ensure long-term use. The One Tough, Easy Empty system lets you discard debris without touching it, making cleanup hassle-free. Which ones are your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.